Today I'll talk about a mth root of a real number n by Newton-Raphson method. So first, x is equal to n to the power 1 by m. Now if I linearize, so it will be xm minus n is equal to 0. Now you can write f of x is equal to xm minus n is equal to 0. Now find the approximate root of this function. So approximate root of this function. Now here f dash x is nothing but m dot x to the power m minus 1. Now using Newton-Raphson method, we know Newton-Raphson method is x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash x0. Now here x0 is okay. Now fx0 means here we are putting that x to the power m minus n, so x0 to the power m minus n, and f dash x here, so we can write m dot x0 to the power m minus 1. Now here if we do that simplification, so x0 into m into x0 m minus 1, then minus x0 to the power m minus n divided by m into x0 m minus 1. Now if I do the simplification, so it will be like 1 by m. So if I do the simplification, so it will be like here. So now if I write here, so that will be x0 m into x0 to the power m minus x0 to the power m minus n by m dot x0 m minus 1. Okay, now if I take that common, that x0 m, so that will be m minus 1. Okay, and then it will be m, so here m will be there. Okay, m will be there, and x0 m minus 1, then minus n by m x0, sorry, m minus 1, so x0. So now here from here we can get this one. So if I take 1 by m common, okay, so that will be m minus 1, and then m minus 1 plus then x0, so that will not be like that. Okay, so that n m x0 m minus 1, so we'll get this equation. So x1 is equal to 1 by m minus 1 x0 plus n by m x0 to the power m minus 1, and if I take that xn plus 1, that will be 1 by m minus 1 xn plus n xn m minus 1. So this is the formula we got. So ultimately that formula we got, this is the formula. So very easy formula. So this is the formula. So for this n iteration, so mth root of n will be xn plus 1 by m minus 1 to xn plus n xn m to the power m minus 1. Now here we have to find out that mth root of real number n. So here that m is that number of the root, mth root. Okay, now we are taking one real example. So here we have to find out cubic root of 20. So this is cubic, sorry, it will be like, so we are going to do something like that. So x something like u of this, so we are going to do that. So here m is nothing but 3 and n is nothing but 20. So if I write here, so m is 3 and n is actually 20, so it will be like a, so x1 is equal to 1 by 3, then m minus 1, 3 minus 1, and then x0 plus 20, n is 20, x0 3 minus 1. So if I do like that, so I'll get this one, 1 by 3 x1, 1 by 3 to x0, 20 by x0 square. You can see here. Now here x0 is, I am taking, let x0 is 2.5. okay, now if it is a 2.5, so we plug that x0 2.5 and 20 by 2.5 square, so we'll get that 2.733. now we plug again next. So now x1 is this, so we use that x1. So x2 we can calculate 1 by 32 into 2.7333 plus 20 by this, we will get this one. Similarly you can find out x3 similar way, so we'll get 2.7144 x4 is 2.7144, x5 is 2.7114. Now here consecutive 3 iteration, that root is x 2.7144. So finally the cubic root of the 20 by inner method is this 2.7144. That's it for this problem. So how to do that cubic root of 20 by Newton-Raphson.